well, this would not be complete with the stock RadioShack GRE Whistler scanner rubber duck. So that's hooked up to the Pro-82 right now. We've got a couple different aftermarket guys here. These are both an identical height. This is advertised as a 136 to 174 megahertz antenna, and this is advertised as a dual band 136 to 174 and 400 to 480, I believe, antenna. So we've got, I consider these to be the same radio. This is really similar. These are both made by GRE. Again, this is made by Whistler, but it's the same design. And this is just the 400 channel version. There are 200 channel versions of the 1010 out there. This happens to be a 400 channel version, and this of course is a 200 channel. Again, we've got the Baofeng UV-6R with the aftermarket, Baofeng UV-6R with the stock antenna. Actually, that's on 10. UV-5RE. I keep wanting to call it an RA. It's just a UV-5R with a fancy faceplate on there. It's shiny. It's like the UV-5R of the UV-5R equivalent of the chromed out 1911 in 38 Super that's owned by the...
I'm going to clean the toys in the classroom. Give me a shout if you guys need me to run out.
Alright, so let's... We know that the handhelds can hear it. Wanted to see if there was... Okay. That is the factory backlight there on the Pro-82. And that's the bright factory backlight there on the Whistler WS1010. And that is not the factory backlight on the PSR-100. That is a little mod I did to make it look cool. But the stock one is amber like this. So hold on one second. This is a Pro-404. That's what the... Okay, the dog's ready to go. Yeah, I'll probably have to go in a second here. But I'll try and bring a couple of these, and we'll do some more testing. We've got a RH771 wideband receive antenna there.